The abrupt withdrawal of U.S. forces from Afghanistan in August 2021 marked a turning point for the region. A vacuum emerged, leaving Afghanistan grappling with uncertainty, and its neighbors adjusting to a new geopolitical reality. This shift has been particularly profound for China and Pakistan, two countries with long-standing interests in Afghanistan's stability and development. Both nations see opportunities in a post-withdrawal Afghanistan, but must also navigate potential pitfalls and diverging strategic priorities. For China, a stable Afghanistan is crucial for its Belt and Road Initiative, particularly the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Instability in Afghanistan could threaten these economic aspirations and spill over into China's Xinjiang province. For Pakistan, Afghanistan has always been viewed as its strategic backyard, crucial for its security and regional influence. The return of the Taliban presents both opportunities and challenges for Islamabad. The evolving dynamics between China and Pakistan in this new era have significant implications for Afghanistan's future and regional security. Despite the complexities of their relationship, China and Pakistan share fundamental interests in Afghanistan. Both countries prioritize regional stability as a prerequisite for economic development and security. A stable Afghanistan is essential to prevent the spillover of terrorism, extremism, and instability into their own territories. China, with its vast economic interests and its western Xinjiang province bordering Afghanistan, is particularly concerned about the potential for instability to fuel separatism and terrorism within its borders. For Pakistan, Afghanistan's stability is intertwined with its own. Islamabad has long grappled with militancy within its borders, and a volatile Afghanistan risks exacerbating these challenges. Beyond security concerns, both China and Pakistan see economic opportunities in a peaceful Afghanistan. However, realizing this economic potential hinges on establishing a secure and stable environment conducive to investment and development. China's engagement in Afghanistan since the U.S. withdrawal has been marked by pragmatism and caution. While Beijing has engaged diplomatically with the Taliban and expressed a willingness to explore economic opportunities, it has refrained from formally recognizing the Taliban government. This cautious approach reflects China's awareness of the complexities in Afghanistan and its desire to avoid being drawn into a quagmire. Economically, China has adopted a wait-and-see approach, signaling its interest in exploring opportunities in Afghanistan's mining sector and potentially extending the China-Pakistan economic corridor into the country. However, concrete investments have been limited, reflecting concerns about security and the Taliban's ability to provide a stable investment climate. China's economic engagement with Afghanistan is likely to remain cautious in the near term, contingent upon improvements in security and the Taliban's governance record. Beijing seeks to safeguard its security and economic interests, while avoiding entanglement in Afghanistan's internal politics. How China navigates this complex landscape will be crucial, not only for Afghanistan's future but also for China's own regional ambitions. In contrast to China's cautious approach, Pakistan has adopted a more assertive posture in post-withdrawal Afghanistan. This assertive stance is rooted in Pakistan's long-standing view of Afghanistan as its strategic backyard, essential for its own security and regional influence. While Pakistan welcomed the Taliban's return to power, viewing it as an opportunity to secure its western border and counter Indian influence, it has also shown a willingness to use military force to pursue its security interests in Afghanistan. The return of the Taliban to power was seen by some in Pakistan as a strategic victory, potentially giving Islamabad greater leverage in Afghanistan. However, the Taliban's return has also presented challenges for Pakistan. The presence of groups like the TTP, which has conducted attacks inside Pakistan, has raised concerns in Islamabad. Pakistan's assertive posture in Afghanistan has implications for its relationship with China. The evolving dynamics between China and Pakistan in post-withdrawal Afghanistan present both opportunities and challenges for regional stability. Their shared interest in a stable and prosperous Afghanistan provides a basis for cooperation, particularly in areas such as counterterrorism and economic development. However, their diverging approaches to engaging with the Taliban, coupled with Pakistan's assertive military posture, could lead to friction and complicate efforts to achieve lasting peace and stability in Afghanistan. The potential for divergence in their strategies is evident in their responses to the Taliban's rule. The success of China and Pakistan's engagement in Afghanistan will depend on their ability to manage these potential divergences and find common ground. Enhancing dialogue and coordination, particularly on issues related to counterterrorism and economic development, will be crucial. Both countries have a shared interest in preventing Afghanistan from becoming a safe haven for terrorist groups, and cooperation in this area will be essential. The stakes are high, not only for Afghanistan, but for the region as a whole.